Welcome to another exciting episode on the Aroundlife Show in the studios of SNG TV GH. We appreciate your support and the fact that anytime we create good and great content for your viewing pleasure, you are there. My name still remains Her Excellency, the Seer. Here is on Aroundlife Show. Here we talk about everything trendy. Bibi okozubiara yebema ehu. Na ende me wo celebrity ewo mi studio hadi. Ba izuna nizuna za amokote mojo wa mntasi. There Kobina Giga. What is Giga? Giga. Okay, Giga. Yeah. Kobina Giga. Okay. Or a artist or a Ghanaian based artist or some international artist. Yeah, Okoba. Or a Roman ambassador. Nejuma no oye wo baby. Let's welcome Kobina Giga. Hi, Kobina Giga. Giga. Nezinize more teasy. Made na me hubo. Giga. Inti stage name bebrebe owo wiazimi. Ma wetu for yan. Kobina is nice. The Giga then. What is Giga? Giga no children.
No, before no.
Na preke ginger.
No, Giga.
Giga.
Yeah. What could be a Giga? I don't know about you.
Actually, basa. Giga sisi ala zamu zebe shawono. Actually, basa. Dem ne pedeka.
Say you wanna me and tell me your music and tea. Yeah. What could it be a Giga na?
Oh, okay.
So charging quite no. Tell the music criminal. Yeah.
A Giga wo. Okay. Yeah. Kobina, how is life? How is everything?
Yeah, everything nice, perfect, and smooth, and you.
Fine, thank you.
Yeah.
Welcome to SNG TV.
Yeah, thank you.
I have second Takoradi in the 21st century. Best podcast. You de nkofu wodi wana share na wonenu de chipa onani SNG TV. GH. Onani. Obi ani ho. Nobody. We have podcasts in second Takoradi, but here is the best. So when we talk about Kobina Giga, right? Am I right?
Yeah.
Kobina Giga. Like, who is Kobina Giga?
Yeah. Kobina Giga.
Tell me something small about your name, your life.
It's a small boy who grew up in New York. I went to school at Methodist Secondary School.
Okay.
Yeah. But due to some 1 or 2, I traveled out of the country for 1 or 2.
What's the fantastic show?
Yeah.
And I wait for you intend to make
no, I don't.
For
mixing. Yeah. So I go school with my sick.
Okay.
No, I don't know. Me from New York. I'm saying me a music artist. Yeah. Kobina ni man ka summary name. Kobina. Yeah. Na Giga ni my stage name.
Stage name.
Yeah. Way back from Skin G. Yeah, almost getting to 20 years ago, not from Skin G, but my rebrand more.
Brand no necessary.
Yeah, this I go by the name Kobina Giga.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, let me know. Kobina Giga, right?
Giga.
Kobina Giga. What was the inspiration behind that name? Like, where from that name? How did you get it?
Yeah. Okay. The Medina Casano. Let me tell you, Medina Casa Kobina. From Kobina.
Full name yabadi.
Stephen Owusu.
Stephen Owusu.
Yeah.
Okay.
But me sure doing Kobina Owusu.
Okay.
Yeah. You can go back no from Skin G. Yeah, but more now people will call him G.
Okay.
So as I thought of rebranding myself, yeah. I came out with the name Kobina. Then I changed the G to Giga. Yeah. That's how come I got the name, yeah. Okay. So, like we are saying, artists, both Ghanaian based artists and international artists, like Kobina mam freestyle. More freestyle. Yeah. Okay. Them get the taxis, man me get the bus. All I do is win Giga me never carry last. Some call me cattle, cause man me get the vibes. A long time man fi do this no be now. Music around through me blood clot nerves. New York young money Giga be the best. After my legacy, nobody be next. Me with music university, no more than so a crutch. Anytime me the pandering, the Mr. Meda. New York boy on shemi humpono yemi shedda. We grind all day, forget about the weather. If no be money, no be now, maybe later. See how we kill it. Boy, me no young
Thank you, true. I love it. I love that.
Sure.
Let's see, New York abadi.
New York boy.
New York no New York yeah na
New Takoradi, yeah.
If you New Takoradi,
yeah, New York boy.
Into why that Mr. They tell me more about yourself. Next month mention day if you New Takoradi.
This was woman New York.
I come who New York and Madrid did that yeah.
Okay, United States. Okay. Yeah, I show New York yeah. Third.
Teacher me the Takoradi New Year. Obi you share na. Name me oh wow. Yeah, artists them free New Takoradi. But all this work in New York in I mean there no. So ekade what you like one year I was like wow. And the kakraba won because that's not watcha.
Yeah. Yeah, state New York State animal but New York Takoradi New York.
Okay. New Takoradi.
Yeah.
New Takoradi. Okay. Nice. Kobina, so far how many music na ayewo industry?
Music kede muntu munkano. Why go promote njumpo no lyrics numpo ya.
Why?
Because njumpo bebre.
But for what like wobeya hin.
Okay, for now no. We started to release professionally. Maybe brand new. Yeah, maybe it's almost 9 or 10 songs. Yeah, I think.
Wow.
For now, yeah, from 2023. Up to now, yeah.
So when did the music career start? Maybe what was there on what one note no.
Sure.
Until 50 time also why music no good what they know what then?
Yeah, same as mine. Yeah, most music as you know. And before now, way back eco school now. Yeah, no more madam for eco school na say you teacher was funny. It's over class now. Wow, or child no. Oh my astro auntie, no. Loading this near was some cassette while recording tomorrow is what the tape or the cassette we shame what we some recording more. Say when a cousin or the ball record the baby and after break yeah, during break time you could see tear. Yeah, madam and some no can and then so you die baby there. In drum style, yeah, and take a class, rap, yeah, some BB, yeah, take a class one other after breaking a board and a school friend. When you are going to say, some madam can't own the no, then everybody will be happy, yeah.
Nice.
And going up and soon, my father see you up music in Tino.
Okay.
Anytime be a move, shall I made the piano?
Shadow Mujan,
Jumalobo, my soon, I didn't, yeah. To start a motto. Copyright, at my early ages, yeah.
Okay.
So as at that time, I decided to, do something by myself, yeah.
But I'm a specific age,
okay, around 11, 12
years.
Yeah, okay. 11, 12 years ago.
Okay.
Yeah.
No,
yeah, sure.
And see, maybe so. When your ma I so fine, no. Obi no otro mo na eto anade one etna ho na etro wade
no me doing na magasa me yeah me ye bibi
one etro wade
man am etro.
Okay, what inspires you to write the songs that you write and then sing? Yeah,
I'm can write wa ko ye bia me feel Takoradi, yeah, on them me was street no do. Yeah, it's my main YMP, my friend YMP, and I do one. I don't know. You go into Canina auntie. Any opportunity now, let I. Yeah, it could be to not tell my best son, boy. Life, I go come some way see. I say, yeah, my trust in our storylines, when storytelling, yeah. It's inspiration, why the good, bad, sad. Atas all corners nina yeah me feel the no empathy me dey enjoy my bed obey cool and the no obey okay am obi and the no mutuma kasa mo bi na my head yeah me dey the enjoy.
Okay, so aside music ne wo bibi so yeah side music.
I said music kidding. Come outside me, Jumano, the one chanting Canada.
What do you need?
Yeah.
Okay.
It was
a bayacher.
Be almost 1 month. Yeah.
It's a basanako.
Sure.
Okay. So, Aberdeentina, and meaning there was a music in Wisconsin. And Cabantia, but fine or today. Now, like you choose to do music. Like, what motivates you to do music?
Yeah. Thanks for this question. And I can be put it on.
Because you won't bend baby or had you doing music, so I come the one.
Sure.
What about studio recordings na dimple or you score it all to his bandy, not that in the studio that recordings. Well, I bet it's an upon you.
Yeah.
Until Ebia, Nipakuno talent in war, BB inspires him or her to do the music.
Yeah. Thanks for this question. Music and I will be said. Jigasisa had me to come here in Europe and then come okay. Yeah. But I don't.
But I will broach you there. Okay. And one tree here. I became a bear music. Music here doesn't pay.
Yeah. Let me come on. Also, Obia Atasa.
Yeah.
I mean, Europe and I don't know. Cool. For being uncle. Okay, but dreaming number one, I don't know. No, yeah, for then, no. Makotina Buchani, because I'm not the woman was read. Okuyata, sir. Yeah, and I'm one so. Minubia tomorrow there. Or help man, or push man. Makotin from the beginning of my career, and Makotin my head. Yeah, may take care of maybe be a atasa. Yeah, so that chum putting on more bigger picture when you're into the more focus on music and the me chase the me dreaming at that no other more love ones should be brave. Okay, no, you will plan it. I don't put a million more coffin. I don't put a million my street and the million.
Oh wow,
love ones not the main good turn to me on born at that yeah. Then some I don't to my boy music and to me the music can do put them do now. But to my often coffee baby helping hand and in many ways now that yeah, I need to know the piano more focus and then I'm still pushing to get the top. Yeah, get to the top.
So. And then you have this dream of helping the needies and the streets and people that are in need. And fine. Other jobs, other side jobs were outside.
Yeah.
And then other jobs now could say on to me fetch you enough to do all these things, so you have to do music now. Me put them be said our music, you know, any escape man.
Okay, for now, we are on the course, and very soon things will start changing. Yeah, okay, we barely know what happened, but man can send me picture of me do. Atasa, yeah, cause me trying to now will be better on bed. I'm push man there. I'm from to be on perimeter. Yeah, so I'm sure, so the man can send to be with you, don't know. I find still the way I couldn't put still another one focus on the music and the children a baby or boy anymore. Or Babu and Tiana, the baby, the man. Mama can atasa. Yeah.
Me viewers what asa. Makade, like you are not in love with music, like music in here. I did this when you're the pede ya because so if say music ni feel there pede ya, you should dedicate all your time and resources on music.
Yeah, I've been doing
because so every other side jobs ne focus on music.
No, can also intimacy. See, no, focus on music and solo na do na.
A follow like a focus on net pa ye.
Okay, maybe you don't follow me. Just follow me and you know more about me. Understand? Okay. Yeah, because music is some kind of follow music and solo. Sisiana, Obianwa, Obianwa, Sisiana, promotion wise, recording, you know, take money. Atasa, and to me, I do the backup. I don't to me then. But the backup and the middle fuel. Yeah, be genuine premiere. Mokona de, mudi pepe so be better. Obusu man de be better. Oba man de better. Yeah, the man tell me.
Okay, talking of promotions, you know. How do you promote your songs?
Yeah,
how do you promote it?
I've been promoting my songs. Yeah, because I reach out to people. Yeah, for the promotions. Maybe I want to release this particular project. Yeah, I will have.
You reach out to people like
people are influencers
who are into entertainment.
Yeah, TV presenters, bloggers, DJs, anybody I can get to promote
your songs, Okay. So are you under any record label for now?
No. For now, I'm signed to my own record label.
Manager.
Regis Music, yeah.
Regis
Music.
Yeah,
Regis.
Okay.
Yeah.
And do you have any EPs? Have you done any EP?
Okay, for now, I don't have EP out, but very soon, Yeah. Because kind of songs I do. Look at me EP now, I don't wanna. While I'm doing
because you have more than 10 to 20 songs. Let's say you don't have one album.
No, album.
Say EP, say album or out.
Just now, if I want to drop album or EP, I can just do it now because all my songs are ready. You understand? Because I have plenty songs on release, but we don't put them on. Yeah, do I see them here because attention I'm putting get to know. Me the my attention. This are no upcoming. The me EP now. Then drop attention put no them projects no then. No. Mr. Luntum can for now. Atasa. Yeah. In terms of planning, okay. For now, no. I'm moving with the singers. Yeah. Cause trust me na your heart into. Me drop project them na then. Very difficult for people to choose. Maybe they will fall in love with a particular song. Maybe the other songs are also good, Yeah, so I want to drop them one by one. If I get to where I want to, then I start dropping EPs and albums. Yeah.
So let me ask you this: do you consider yourself as underground artist?
Underground. Okay, for now, I will say yes because I'm not yet
there
at top
there.
So for now it's okay. I can accept it, You
will accept that,
Yeah.
Okay.
Because still coming, but very soon the story will change.
I love the spirit. Kobina make it maybe said about Sebiaka. Let's go for a commercial break and then come back. Welcome back from the commercial break. Here is SNG TV GH, and here is the Aroundlife Show with me, your host, Her Excellency, the Seer, and with my dear brother, Kobina Giga. Oh my God, Kobina Giga. Sorry, Nadine. No boy is in Batia Bobara. Kobina, compare Ghana na Europe, like, do you have any challenges?
Okay. Challenges on the music now, but
like what I mean is when it comes to the music now, how do you see it? Ghana music in Europe area music, like compared those two, how do you see?
Okay, for Europe, why there on the Ubia for horse na the artists. The music war Europe na Ghana no difference kase no on Europe no bia focus bia look ejuma bia kwale bi okọ osa na bibi dem na nti go attention aka o Ghana bi na de no and the attention e be yen o Europe we na another for example the stars here be the celebrities go to compo be Europe na do go bia ni mo bia ni de na mo wa people will just walk past by because I am a go on atasa but Ghana na do efa bebu nde osimusi no yere oruko ya na bibi da na de atasa and more challenges we want to of we find difficult another challenges so and I kosu nde bo
so tell me some of your challenges you
go be na do no video shoot na they be enko fumo bere
Okay.
Pull up another make an attack. Unlike they were gonna the boy baby, you know. Kofu you put more support.
So be animal, but I will cheat the bears in it from Kofu Street.
Anyone I don't know. Obiwa atasa. Yeah, intending to the mesma. I kept panana there, baby the man day. Unlike Ghana day na the play war music behind the music video behind the baby support even ado also be to my canon easier than foreign atasa.
The encounter challenges like this, how do you overcome it?
Yeah, for now it's not easy to overcome it, but yeah, we try to minimize it. Yeah, maybe we find some people, one or two to do something that we want to shoot videos, but we don't have much access like here in Ghana, you understand? Yeah, but still we pushing.
Okay. I hope the name artist baby Takoradi hadi. Me pade mam kofu baye 3 you wish or you want to collaborate with those artists. We mancho menya Kofi Kinata ana last mate ana what can then Yao Lucas ana de Aya Ramsey be one no mam kofu 3 like you want to work with like.
Okay. For now.
And I don't have anybody in mind.
No, I have a song with Yao Lucas, yeah. I have a song with Yao Lucas.
Okay, and then you know one you that do.
Yeah.
But me pian one I like in anche. Be from one the old brother and pocho me release in your pede like me like what and then
a feature
right. A feature.
Okay. For now, there, I would say Hindu more. Yeah, Mishig moment. Yeah.
Hindu. Oh, okay.
Yeah, I think
Hindu
very soon, you bring out something very nice very soon.
Yeah. For now, no Hindu. Yeah, epede.
Yeah.
Hindu more pocho. My brother, Kobina. Feature no mama ati. Feature no mama. Okay, very nice soon. One.
We are on it very soon.
Okay. About Western region, Sekeni Takoradi hadia. Meaning there, a rapper, right?
Never said that.
Oh, okay. Nice. Me pede any best rappers or Takoradi hadi. When you feel like they are the best. Mambe the 5.
Okay. Rappers, rappers. King Lucas, yeah.
Onyeta adi nkutu Western region.
Western, okay. Hindu.
Okay.
Kukubani.
Hindu, yeah. Okay. Those two need there.
For now, okay, two. Yeah. Mr. F's. Yeah, another New York boy. Yeah.
Mr. F's.
Yeah.
Hey, Minton is in there.
Yeah. Since I'm acting with Mr. F's.
Okay.
Yeah. And Easy Rockstone. Yeah.
When you know what?
Yeah, watch out.
Where music?
Yeah, sure. Easy Rockstone.
Oh wow.
Mr.
No any more here.
Yeah.
Minimum, make a mara, no minimum.
Yeah, go search for them. Yeah.
Oh, okay. I know. Say release a new song, right?
Yeah.
I think was it last week?
No.
This week. This weekend they release.
Today, Friday. Yeah, 23rd.
Okay. Tell me about the song.
Okay.
I person come freestyle, you know.
Wadia boss, yeah. Okay. Freestyle. Okay. Let me call simple. Me can respond. Wadia boss.
Wadia every able to mkawa.
Yeah.
Wadia boss every able to mkawa.
No be juma shaso mami mponi.
Wadia boss.
Mese no be kuno ya wadan fumponi.
Hey, you be to menka. Obi kuna magia boss.
Yeah, chatters, yeah. Song no wadia boss.
And kese chunyuma.
Yeah. Them kind of tracks.
And kese chunyuma.
Storytelling, yeah.
Wadia boss dead and tibia magia bodo.
Yeah, wadia boss.
Hey, what inspires you to do that song? And I will be your girl boss.
No.
Inti ara sembena.
I'm the movie street no di ntata nti nyama na ada okodo na ade nsam atasa ana asat ile no makara no ene nsam okodo na ade meye huma ya ti na ade yede ndwom na ade nti bo obutumi wudu obutumi ni du matasa mshira me ndwom no for makasa me wan de bibi dan but I do it for the masses to waja boss do washa
and you be crew dear me
waja boss
magia bosso
waji
but mutime nje mbodo da monye yi dabi onya obi no kunu say don't try it menje bosso onya at papa Kobina, do you think the media houses in Western region wobwa and one upcoming artist for Worubano wobwa wana as in the DJs, the presenters and blah 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 one
Bobo to mbonu fum kra atasa
abambo dem na we here
because no boss ri ejuma boss we release a couple of songs no nice project na that bo me DJ bo wana do bitu abon juma no 1 2 no why then wa shon njuma na de bo ofan mainstream for na njuma na bi dem no we na kula me na don so
I was wodua.
No, I don't want to. Honorable one, you also what ya.
Hey, the me show that Obibo to Martin, we did what Bobini Numa. No, just like that.
I'm not a my friend and West Side is from Pono, put 10% mainstream from Poeden. Wobona, because we were born to the Bonan, I don't want to my shock, but to either. Oh, we ride the Mumpa. Region, I say also to me, be able to make criti. Once a known star, Sibin, I do a program between Island. Waba West and Waba. I do onwe bituma na dambo yimna to da ku mni to da I answer it to me kriti yes time bibi ande no oye scan de bibi da na ade de ombuchi scan bonjuma no bi was answer it to me kriti ni euros atasa
okay
yes
no they
so no all of the industry no kere no we njuma de brown ado obo 1 2 and njuma to no bimpo mainstream artists no juma wa bo almost be 15 years ago be 10 years ago no obo radio no obo abegrim so no radio what putting the nice songs what abanade one bother types of songs no old time in juma widen wa ba na dey we twum kona no
it's what I say so don't you think the approach from you guys is not enough?
No, that approach
because if you want to approach for the ba their bonding is very bad.
It's a problem,
it's very bad. Sometimes sometimes if you don't want to approach you very poor.
What way?
A bit too much text you message Mbocho play my song for me on air. How dare you? Let me send him straight message. Please play my song on air for me. Just like that.
That one is a
no.
But except for right channel, I think they're okay, but DJs don't we also try to wear it. What happy regional artists and I don't win, of course. We be all in Bewadi, Onion Ye, Mwajida Yankasata, tells you to me a child in make stars for regional Atasa, go should be a banana, be my program, over to me, no, regional stars to me to me. Ye use one about the program, they be a back of Obi baby and one about us, then so to me make you know use so and
then Michelle interview with Aya Ramsey B, and he was like, sometimes it's not all about money. Sometimes in DJB, in presenter B, one number. Oh, hello, how you doing? Oh, I called to check up on you. Don't wait. So if you release one, then come and test me there. Please, I'm releasing this song. Please try to promote me. I will not mind you. I will not mind you. Sometimes you people have to show concern in people's lives. Men, trying to release one and sana approach DJ and sana approach presenter. No. Yanka de ye biani skao. In his scan, it's gonna show down anybody fine your budget, but Sikana sheda on here and chani nyimpa na nkwa. Nti do check up on those people. If you have their contacts, their numbers, check up on them. Men tryna ebe release one man sana. Abeka baby said, please, how are you doing? I'm fine. Thank you. And you? I'm also fine. We thank God. If you wanna catch them there, please, I'm releasing my song on 20 blah 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 blah. Promote it. On your nice.
Nice.
Mama kana atemasia. I don't know if you get me.
Yeah, I get you.
Are you sure that you get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Because oben them na when I show you about ka baby akade yen promote yendi. Mama kanata asa. And I want you feel they pay promote one, but you people, some of you are not showing good attitude and or me. Who ya ebe release in the release and abane ebe release or out releasing chain wajia boss. Bye.
Kobina Giga.
Enti fana okwa obenya music ni be.
Yeah. Isero out into bibia stobia be.
Enti bubo live what can them?
Uduma. Spotify. Snapchat, TikTok, all over here. Maybe I've been on Facebook, maybe I would change you be better. All of the guitar platforms. Yeah.
Okay. Thanks for having you, Kobina. But answer nebe kono. Me wo agrubia mizi wo be fi hade. Be so question. Na mano. Tibiana. We close for the day. But first of all, let me ask you this: are you single? Let me dig into your private life small.
Single, yeah.
Cause you're too nice.
I'm not single.
My producer is looking at me. You're not single.
Yeah.
You're dating.
Yeah.
And now you are married.
I'm not married.
You are not married. The same wahana or acquaintance. Oh, hadia. Oh, nice. Nice. My question today in this music industry, in Western region, saying, a female artist. Like, I want you to give me just one person you are crushing on.
Western. Female
artists you are crushing on.
Yeah.
You can't tell me that you are not crushing on anybody.
I don't know any female artists.
Hey.
Yeah.
Any female artist be a Western regional?
No.
Wow.
Yeah.
And then to the
maybe. Yeah.
But into the social media, you follow many of them.
No, I don't think I know.
And if they eka what girl be jail because
no.
You are crushing on somebody doesn't mean you love that person.
No, you don't understand. I said I don't know. Maybe I have to check, but for now I don't know any female artists in the Western region. Yeah.
Okay, Mfon Ghana.
Ghana, the female artist.
It's one and a crush on.
First, no, when you shave a major into
your first in Mr. One in your face when you share.
Maybe I make a first no windy, but
no crash one or but CCR
major into
okay.
Major, me soon sound even out the body, my spreadable Uncle Bear.
A very post
another.
Oh, the man's in a way and on you. The man's in a way and on you. And the man what the me washing bay boy what's no chrome hadi what's no chrome Ghana chrome hadi we promote to kofu one ma we I want when ya butel David Obebe ye ne di no wo ba ne nchen de won wo pede o promote one na sa menyi da mo boy na ka me promote obi anu mu Ghana chrome hadi sa me ne ono ka me promote because we hu da ma ye ya na we hu de me edu echira nke bebe da me ye ya me I want to win ya Kobina, thanks for having you.
Thanks.
Ebusiafo, I had a middle besi. I had some interactions with Kobina
Giga
na de munka. Kobina na meka. Kobina, thanks for coming into my studios.
Okay, thanks for having me.
Ebusiafo, NT, same time next week. Don't remember, keep on subscribing, commenting, liking, sharing our posts on all social media handles. We are there, SNG TV GH and the Aroundlife Show. Special thanks to you, my viewers. Now watching another video now would say my name still remains Her Excellency, the Seer. You can follow me on all social media platforms. You can call me the Seer, and I'll do so in response to that. I love you all. Bye-bye.